Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today I'm going to give you guys a little preview of this thing here. I don't know what the brand is. Simputka. It's sorry about the dog in the background, but it's a garden light. So we're going to check this thing out. It should be some sort of solar powered lights. So let's see what we got here. So we have the manual, and then here are the lights. So this is kind of how it works. So it's got these little balls, and then it comes with a stake, which is a nice metal stake, and it kind of goes in there like that, and basically this is it. So let's see what happens if I turn it on. So this is on. What are the different settings? Oh, there it is. Oh, it was lit up for a second. Oh, it's got a light sensor, so there. So if I keep it covered, then they light up. So that's kind of how it looks. So what are the different settings? There was like 2 different switches, so it made 2. So it was there. So that's the first setting. And then that's the second setting. Oh, it's twinkling. Check that out. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? So let's see. So how do these things go? So you can bend them a little bit at the base, it looks like, but not a whole lot. So it just kind of sticks up like that. So that's kind of how it's going to kind of look. Now, how sweet is that looking? That's very cool. And you turn on at night and start twinkling. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. So it comes with 2 of these. Oh my God, I can't wait to go put these out in the garden and surprise Veronica. And she's going to love these things because they are just super cool. These are awesome. Okay, so let's see. So there's the button there, and you can see that. So I guess that's what it is here. So you see it's at the top, then down a little bit, and then down all the way. And I guess this is the little solar panel, so this is probably going to have to be somewhere pointing towards the sun. And it looks like these things, some of them are stuck together. You see like that? I guess that's just when it melted a little bit. But now they're not. So super cool. Just super simple concept, really. I mean, it just lights up these little things and these little beads. Can't wait to just get these things going, and very cool. And they'll just sit there and gather the sun all day and light up all night. So 2 of them. Very cool. So I'm going to say this is super awesome. I'm going to say thumbs up from me. I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick some up for yourselves. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.